Hey, I'm going to show you how to make this horizontal scrolling component in Figma. As you can see, it scrolls left and right, which is horizontal and doesn't affect the rest of the phone frame, which still scrolls as you would expect up and down vertically. So before we get into that, here's my Figma file that I'm going to update to show you. So here is the card that I'm going to duplicate, so Command and G, and then hold down Option and drag, which makes another one. This is just to show you what is within the horizontal scrolling. So gonna move them across, just tidy them up a little bit. So distribute horizontal, there we go. So they're all separate groups now. But this one here, because it's not within the frame, it's kind of saved itself out of the frame, so we need it within, so just drag it in like so. Because they are separate groups, we do need to make them into a frame because that's how we add the overflow behavior. So I've selected all of these 3 cards and then they need to be framed. So click on frame and then it's like that. So what we need to do now is we need to reduce the size of the frame to the width that we want the visible part to be. So hold down Command and then we drag in like so. Now we haven't set the overflow behavior now, which we're going to do. So we now need to, because this is the size that we want, we need to clip. There we go. Just going to show you how that looks in the prototype. So again, it's, we've not added any overflow behavior yet, which I'm going to do now. So like so. So we've got the frame highlighted. Prototype, we're going to go to prototype and then horizontal. That should save itself, and then we'll go back into the prototype. There we go, that's sorted. So if we decided to, if we wanted this card a little bit closer to the edge, we'd literally click Command, hold it down, and then drag to the edge, and then as you can see there, it did it. So that's just to give another indication to the user that there is extra information should they scroll. There we go. Hope that was useful.